This is one of those word problem assignments. Not entirely sure why it's here. I mean, I get why they're trying to make you reason through this, but we're going to be looking at it. What step did they take to get to wherever they did? And then this is why I don't really like the assignment so much. Is what they did correct? Is it right or wrong? And usually why I don't like this assignment, because you might think the random step they do, which is normally wrong, you might think, well, is that right? Is that the way we're supposed to do it? And you might start making mistakes in the future just based upon this. So anyways, how do we get from system A to system B? So if we look at this one, okay, -3 minus 2y. If I notice, it's actually down here now. So I took this and moved it down here. And then this one got moved up here. Did they change anything? No, they look exactly the same. Want to double check those, So what do? They swapped the order of equations at C. They didn't replace one equation with a sum and difference. They didn't replace the left hand with the, they didn't swap the right hand sides of the equations. That's whenever they would just swap these two numbers out. Like this would become a -1, that become a 4. No, they just swapped both of the equations out, right? They swapped the order of the equations. So would that change the answer? Did that do anything? Is that wrong? Is that an incorrect step, basically? And no, it's not. It's okay to use that step. You could switch those around. So yes, the systems would still be equivalent. Okay, in this one, how do we get from A to B? So this is a 0. -10x minus 4y equals 0. -10x minus 4y. Whoa. It's an 8 now. Where did they get the 8 from? It went from 0 to 8. Well, this 8 now became a 0. So they swapped just the right-hand side. Don't know why they would do that. That makes no sense. So C, they swapped the right-hand side of both equations. And no, that's not going to be the same answer. Can't just do that. Last one. So -3x plus 12y equals 15. And then -x plus 4y equals 5. That's not like they switched it out like we saw earlier there. But if you divide all three of these by 3, which is the same thing as multiplying by a third, you would get that. Which you could do, right? As long as you multiply everything by the same number, it's fine. So let's see. Replaced one equation with the sum and difference of both equations. No. Replace only the left-hand side of the equation with the sum and difference of the left-hand sides. No. Replace one equation with the multiple of itself. Yes, that's what we saw there. You multiplied this entire equation. Oh, wait. Yeah. Then the last one, replace one equation with a multiple of the other equation. So that's like if we multiplied this one by something and then replaced this one. So if this was a multiple of this one, then we would mark D. But no, we replaced this equation with a multiple of itself. Right? We multiplied this one by a third and put it there. And yes, that's okay to do. So yes, that would be equivalent.